Ever wondered why you have your grandfather's distinctive nose while others in your family don't? This is due to the fascinating mystery of inherited traits, which can sometimes skip generations. The man who first shed light on this phenomenon was none other than Gregor Mendel, a monk who, through his work with pea plants, laid down the fundamental principles of genetic inheritance. So, the inheritance of traits within families follows diverse patterns, which can be illustrated through pedigrees. Let's delve into the work of Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics, who used pea plants to explain the transfer of traits. Mendel was a keen observer, noting 7 specific traits in his plants, each with 2 distinct forms. He controlled fertilization to create pure breeding lines, ensuring the same traits appeared generation after generation. But Mendel didn't stop there. He cross-pollinated these pure-breeding parents, known as P1 and P2 generations, to create a hybrid generation, the F1. Interestingly, the F1 generation resembled one parent, not a blend of both, debunking the popular belief in blended inheritance. This observation led to Mendel's first principle, the principle of uniformity, stating that offspring from these crosses would exhibit identical traits. However, Mendel wondered if the traits of the non-dominant parent were merely hidden. To find out, he self-fertilized the F1 generation to create an F2 generation. Lo and behold, the F2 generation displayed a mix of traits. Further analysis revealed a consistent ratio of 3:1, indicating a hidden recessive form of the trait inherited from the original parents. This led Mendel to formulate the concepts of dominant and recessive traits, a fundamental aspect of inheritance. His principles of inheritance challenged the prevailing beliefs and provided crucial insights into the transmission of genetic traits through generations, forever changing our understanding of heredity. As we'll see, these principles are still shaping our comprehension of genetics today. Mendel's pioneering work with pea plants laid the foundation for understanding the principles of inheritance. His innovative approach to studying heredity, which involved methodical experiments and meticulous observation, painted a picture of inheritance far more complex and intriguing than the blending of traits previously assumed. Mendel's principles of inheritance have shaped our understanding of genetics in profound ways. They have influenced how we perceive the transmission of traits in plant populations, guiding the development of modern plant breeding techniques. His principles have also found application in human populations, providing insight into how certain traits, including genetic disorders, are passed down through generations. From the color of a person's eyes to their susceptibility to certain diseases, Mendel's principles have helped us understand the role of inheritance in shaping our identities. They are instrumental in genetic counseling, enabling us to predict the likelihood of inheriting certain traits or conditions. In essence, Mendel's principles of inheritance help us unravel the fascinating puzzle of why we are who we are.